Our third and final stop is Cellar Door. It's a bar restaurant. Come on, join me. Hello, good afternoon. Nice to meet you. Tell us about your business. When did it start?
Started October 2024. It's a combined idea of me po at saka ng husband ko, si Mr. Ojil Kiambao. Gusto lagi namin kasing meron ng konting chill after a long hour of work. So, naisip namin, pub, para makaka-chill na. We have here ang mga Filipino pulutan like isaw, we have barbecues, kung ano yung hinahanap natin pag umuwi tayo ng Pilipinas. So, we put it up here po.
Can you believe in Milan? Dito pa natin masasampulan ang isaw. What else?
Yes.
Fishball.
Here's isaw.
Fishball.
Yes, and tender juicy hot dog.
Yes.
And then, of course, yung mga Pilipino, anytime na nagsasama-sama po is laging kumakanta. So, we put up with karaoke.
Oh guys, nakita nyo naman ang ating barista. From coffee to alcoholic drinks. Ito, our very beautiful barista. Popular na paboritong inumin.
When it comes to Italian po, kasi classic lang yung mga iniinom nila. So, kapag mga Filipinos, they want something na more matamis. So, yun po yung pinaka-best seller ko.
Ganda naman ang mixer natin. And you also do private parties here?
Yes. So even if you have little budget, so makaka-organize ka na yung debut mo or 50th birthday or even simple gatherings for the family and friends.